Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. Let's get started by creating a new project. If you are using Windows, then press Ctrl Shift P, and if you are using Mac device, then press Command Shift P. So we'll go with Flutter new project and application. We will locate the destination. So let's go with this destination, and now we will name the project Uber Eats. So we can't have capital letter here. Uber Eats. So it will create us a counter application, and here is our counter application ready. So we'll go to lib main, and from here we will remove most of the code. Really, we don't need any of the code. That's the main thing. So I will just remove the entire my homepage thing, and it's gone. So the folder architecture for this course is going to be MVC, that is Model View Controller. So we'll create a new folder, and it's going to be model. Then comes up new folder under lib, that's going to be view, and another folder it's going to be controller. Then comes up another folder, it's going to be constant. And here comes another folder, and it's going to be utils. So let's have a look like what are these folders for, and what we gonna like what kind of files we gonna store in this folder. Let's get started with view. We will store all the UI screens codes in view. Inside utils, you will store the styling and colors file. Inside model, we will store the models of APIs and CRUD functions. Inside controller, we will go with state management and CRUD operations code. And inside constant, we will go with those things which will be regularly used through our application. So inside controller, let's go with two subfolder, and it's going to be services, and another subfolder it's going to be provider. So for the state management, we will be going up with provider. Yeah, we will come down to main, and inside view, let's create a new folder and name it auth screens. And inside auth screens, let's create a new file and name it mobile login screen dot. And here create a stateful widget, naming it mobile login screen user. Okay, it's going to be mobile login screen only. So here we will return a scaffold, body, and let's for now go with center, child, text, and drop a hello message. And we are good here. So we'll go to main, and here we do have an error, that is we have to define a home here. So inside home, let's go with mobile login screen, and we are good. So we'll remove this thing, basically we don't need, and we are good. So here we do have this theme data. Let's remove this primary swatch thing, and we are good. Now let's run the app and have a look onto it. To get started with colors and text styling, we do need to add text style inside our PubSpec, and for that we do need to create an asset folder here. So we will create a new folder, name it assets, and inside assets we will create a new folder, that is subfolder, and name it font. And inside fonts we want to paste the fonts file which we'll be using throughout our app. We have added the fonts which we'll be using throughout our application, that is Uber Move Bold and Uber Move Medium. Now it's time that we add this to inside our Pubs pack. So if we go down inside Pubs pack, you will see that we have styling for fonts. So let's do one thing. Let's remove the comments first. We will simply erase all of these comments. So after clearing up all of the comments, we will inside Flutter, we will add font, and inside fonts, we will add the family. Then comes up the location of that font family. Then we have added the Uber Move Medium. Now it's time that we add Uber Move Bold. So we will first name the family, then we will add the file location. So these two are file location. Make sure you are going with the same alignment as I am here, because like this pubspec YAML file is a space sensitive file. So if you just go with like this one, it's a complete mess. Okay, make sure the alignments are proper. Now we have added the fonts. It's time that we get introduced to a new package. So the package name is sizer. So why we will be using this package sizer? It's for dynamic height and width throughout our application. So we will simply go to our terminal and write flutter pub add sizer, and it will add sizer in our pubspec YAML file. So let's roll down, go to pubspec, and here you can find that we have a package here that is sizer. And for this sizer thing, we do need to do a little bit of modifications here. So here we have to go with return sizer, and here inside builder we'll go with context and flashes, and here we will be returning the material app. So cut from here, paste here, and we are good. Next thing is that you will find that inside utils we have introduced colors and textiles. So basically these files will be shared to you in the resource section of this lecture. So don't worry. So here we do have a lot of colors which we will be using throughout the application. And for the textile thing, let's add the colors file, and we are good here. Here also we do have a lot of textiles. Basically it goes with like what is the font family and what's the size and its type of bold, normal, or whatever. The same goes here. What is the font family, it's bold or normal, and its size. We have sizes, like we have variety of textile sizes and font style. So this file will also be shared with you in the resource of this video lecture. So we will come to mobile login screen. Let's remove this to imports. We don't need it. And hello, and we will go with style. App text style, I think so 16 bold will go good. Let's save it and let's have a look in emulator. Our app is built, and here we can see a beautiful bold hello. So here we'll notice that here we do have a banner, debug banner, and to remove it we do need to go to main, and here we have to go with debug show check mode banner, and we have to make it false. Let's save it.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.